Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Latitude. The Pickleball Paddles set is a USAPA-approved set designed for men and women, offering a high-quality and durable pickleball experience. This set includes fiberglass surface paddles, providing excellent power, control, and accuracy during gameplay. The fiberglass construction ensures the paddles are lightweight yet sturdy, ideal for players seeking consistent performance and ease of use. The set comes with 2 paddles, suitable for doubles play, and features a comfortable grip to enhance control and reduce hand fatigue during extended sessions. The paddles are designed with a balanced weight distribution, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced players. Their USAPA approval guarantees that the paddles meet the standards required for official tournament play. Alongside the paddles, the set includes high-quality pickleballs, which are designed for long-lasting performance and consistent bounce. These balls are suitable for both indoor and outdoor play, ensuring versatility across different surfaces. The paddles feature a textured surface, improving spin and control, and the ergonomic handles are designed for a secure and comfortable grip, even during fast-paced games. Whether for casual play or competitive matches, the Pickleball Paddles set is designed to deliver a professional-level experience for players of all skill levels. Overall, the Pickleball Paddles set offers a complete package for anyone looking to enjoy pickleball, with durable, high-performance paddles, quality pickleballs, and a focus on comfort, control, and playability for both men and women. Number 2. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles are designed for players seeking superior control, power, and spin. Featuring Halo carbon fiber technology, these paddles deliver enhanced durability and responsiveness. The carbon fiber surface provides excellent spin potential, allowing players to execute sharp, controlled shots with precision. The RevCore Power polymer core enhances the paddle's power and consistency, offering a balanced feel for both offensive and defensive plays. This core technology ensures optimal ball control while maintaining the power needed for strong hits. Whether playing soft-touch shots or powerful smashes, the SLK Halo paddles offer excellent versatility across different playing styles. Designed with ultimate spin and consistency in mind, these paddles feature a large sweet spot, providing a forgiving response even on off-center hits. The comfortable grip and lightweight construction ensure easy maneuverability, reducing hand fatigue during long matches. The paddle's construction is optimized for maximum comfort, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced competitors. Available in 2 versions, Halo Control for precision and touch, and Halo Power for power shots, these paddles cater to different player preferences. The SLK Halo Pro is specifically crafted for tournament play, offering an ideal combination of control, spin, and power for top-tier performance. Overall, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles provide a premium pickleball experience with cutting-edge technology, ensuring consistent performance, ultimate spin, and powerful shots for players looking to elevate their game. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a comprehensive set for players looking for quality performance at an affordable price. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 bag, making it perfect for both beginners and casual players. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face and a polymer RevCore, combining durability, control, and power for an enjoyable playing experience. The G4 graphite face provides excellent ball control and spin while maintaining a lightweight feel, which enhances maneuverability and comfort during play. The polymer RevCore in the paddle's interior delivers a soft yet responsive feel, promoting consistent shots and a larger sweet spot to minimize mishits. This combination ensures that players have the right balance of control, power, and touch, making it ideal for players looking to improve their game. The paddles are designed in the USA, ensuring high-quality craftsmanship and performance. The bundle also includes 3 durable pickleballs, which are perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, and a convenient bag for easy storage and portability. Overall, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a fantastic entry-level or recreational choice, offering high-quality paddles, reliable pickleballs, and a convenient carry bag. It's designed to meet the needs of players seeking consistent performance, comfort, and value, all while featuring a trusted brand known for producing premium pickleball equipment. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball paddles are designed to deliver superior performance with a focus on control, power, and comfort. These paddles feature a graphite carbon fiber face, providing excellent ball control and consistent spin. The graphite construction ensures a lightweight design while maintaining stability and durability, making the Mod Z5 perfect for both beginners and advanced players. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 paddle is its cushion comfort grip, which offers a soft, ergonomic feel that reduces hand fatigue during extended play sessions. This grip provides enhanced control and comfort, ensuring players can maintain a firm hold without sacrificing comfort. The grip's design also helps minimize vibration, adding to the overall smooth playing experience. The core material of the paddle is crafted to offer a balance between power and touch, making it suitable for a wide range of playing styles. Whether you're looking for precise, controlled shots or powerful smashes, the Onix Mod Z5 allows for optimal performance on both indoor and outdoor courts. With a focus on versatility and comfort, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball paddle is a great choice for players who seek a balanced paddle that delivers control, spin, and comfort. Its durable construction, ergonomic grip, and responsive playability make it a trusted option for pickleball enthusiasts at various skill levels. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are designed to provide an affordable yet high-quality option for both beginner and intermediate players. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, offering excellent ball control and spin potential. The fiberglass material enhances the paddle's durability while maintaining a lightweight feel for easy maneuverability. At the core of the paddle is a honeycomb polypropylene core, known for its high resilience and shock absorption properties. This core design helps to deliver a balanced combination of power and control, making the paddle versatile for various playing styles. Whether you're looking for precise placement or powerful shots, the honeycomb core ensures a consistent performance on the court. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddle is equipped with a comfortable grip, ensuring a secure hold during extended play. The grip also helps to minimize vibration, offering a smoother and more comfortable feel with every swing. This makes the paddle suitable for long sessions, reducing hand fatigue and providing a more enjoyable experience for players of all levels. Overall, the Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles offer a well-rounded package for players who want an affordable, durable, and comfortable paddle without compromising performance. The fiberglass surface, polypropylene core, and ergonomic grip work together to provide excellent value and a reliable option for casual and competitive play alike.